Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a strawberry shortcake with the recipe that I recently had out. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting off with my sponge cake. I recently uploaded a video to my YouTube channel, so if you have not checked that out yet, make sure to click on over after this video. I'm just releasing my cake from the cake pan. I just baked this morning, so it is nice and cooled down. And I'm just going to cut this into 3 layers. I'm just going to show you what the inside looks like. As you can see, it is nice and light and fluffy. Now let's start putting this cake together. So I bought here some plastic acetate that I had ordered online, and this is just to cover the sides of my cake so that it stays nice and moist. And in goes the bottom layer. And here I'm using my stabilized whipped cream. I also recently uploaded a video recipe, so make sure you check that out as well also after this. Just making sure that my cake is nice and filled with the whipped cream, and then I'm going in with some fresh strawberries. And I'm repeating the process with the next layer. On goes the top tier, and I'm adding a little bit of my whipped cream into the center of my cake, and this just so that my fresh strawberries has something to sit on. And now I have my whipped cream again in the 6B Wilton tip, and I'm just doing a border around my cake. I'm going to finish this off with some fresh strawberries on top, and I'm going to transfer my cake into the refrigerator. And that's just to have all the flavors come together and help stabilize the cake. Here's my cake out of the refrigerator. I had left it in there overnight, but of course it is all about preference. So if you wanted to leave it in there for just 30 minutes, an hour, or anything like that, that's perfectly fine and up to you. Let's just go ahead and take off the plastic. And this would be perfect for any summer occasion, or even for Father's Day or Mother's Day, or just any day. Okay, let's actually cut into this cake so I can show you what the inside looks like. And here is the inside of my cake. Hopefully you guys like my tutorial on how I put my cake together. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!